everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Aroma Hut Institute. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been a while since I've been here, but I have a great recipe that we're going to be doing today, and it comes from my book, Healing Arthritis Naturally with Essential Oil. Okay, let's talk about what is arthritis. Now, depending on the type and the severity of your arthritis, you're going to experience different symptoms. And some of these physical symptoms that you may incur include pain, stiffness, tenderness, swelling, visible inflammation, and fatigue. The signs and symptoms of arthritis vary from person to person. For some, it may be joints cracking suddenly, like knees upon standing. Others may experience stiffness or joints creaking. Maybe pain occurs when twisting a jar open. Early signs can be easily mistaken as an injury or as a result of too much activity. In fact, symptoms may come and go and can be mild to severe. If you have arthritis, you will want to find out early so you can take steps to protect your joints from the permanent damage of uncontrolled inflammation. Early diagnosis and treatment are essential. By definition, arthritis means joint inflammation, and the term actually refers to over 100 related conditions or types and forms of the disease. Left untreated, it can advance, resulting in joint damage that cannot be undone or reversed. This recipe is called Icy Hot Analgesic Massage Rub. Now, this is something that you can use for different ailments and conditions, but I have had this aching back for the last 3 or 4 days, and I've said enough already. I don't like using the store-bought products that you can get that are called Icy Hot, just because of their chemical constituents that are in it. This one is a great recipe. We're going to be using eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint essential oil. Now there's several options here. I've chosen to use ginger essential oil. We're also going to be using cinnamon bark essential oil and clove essential oil. And so I'm going to give you the breakdown of this recipe. You can copy it here. We're also going to share a link below so you can visit our website and get a copy of this recipe. By the way, we are an aromatherapy school. We teach you all about how to use essential oils safely, where you can get your certification for making blends for customers and clients. And so anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this recipe now, and let's just get started. Now, this particular one calls for jojoba, or if you just have, like, let's say coconut oil fractionated on hand, you can use that. This one is going to be for a 2-ounce bottle. Now, what size you choose to use is fine, but I want to make sure this is very concentrated because of its effects for the analgesic properties. So we're going to be starting with, I'm going to put my recipe over there. We're going to start with our eucalyptus, and we're going to do 10 drops. Smells so good. Wow, that one's great. All right, we're going to also be adding 10 drops of peppermint. And now this one is ginger. We're going to be adding 7 drops. Whoops, I think I got an extra one in there. And we're going to also be using cinnamon and clove essential oils. So we're going to be using 2 drops of cinnamon. Did I see it come out? And 2 drops of clove. That's nice. All right, so get your stir rod, go ahead and stir it up. You can see it's quite a bit of essential oil, so you want to dilute this so that you don't burn your skin. These are some warm oils. They're going to be very warming to the skin. So we want to dilute it with 2 ounces of our carrier. You could use something different if you chose to use grapeseed, almond oil, one of the others. Now I'm just going to squeeze it in because this is about equivalent to a 1/4 cup. So I really don't need to measure it out. And I mean, if you have a measuring cup, go ahead and use it. So we'll go ahead and stir it up. Wow, it smells wonderful. This is great. Can't wait to use it. This is great for so many other conditions. But if you want to get more information about this, you can get a copy of the book, Healing Arthritis Naturally with Essential. Thanks for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to click that bell so you get our notifications as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.